Hello friends, today we are going to learn the NCERT questions of chapter number 15, Winds, Storms and Cyclones. Question number 1, part A. Fill the missing word in the blank spaces in the following statements. Part A. Wind is dash air. Answer, moving. Part B. Winds are generated due to dash heating on the earth. Answer. Winds are generated due to uneven heating on the earth. Since the temperature varies all over the world from place to place, winds are generated due to this uneven heating. Part C. Near the Earth's surface, dash air rises up whereas dash air comes down. Answer. Warm air rises up whereas cold air comes down. Part D. Air moves from a region of dash pressure to a region of dash pressure. Answer. Air moves from a region of high pressure to a region of low pressure. Question number 2. Suggest two methods to find out wind direction at a given place. Answer. The following methods can be used to get the direction of wind. Take some fine and lighter sand in your hand and slowly slip it off to the ground. The direction in which the sand falls gives the direction of the wind. Fly a kite. The direction in which the kite flies is the wind direction. Take some bits of paper on your palm. The direction in which the pieces fly is the direction of the wind. One can use an anemometer or a wind vane to get the wind direction. Question number 3. State two examples to show that air exerts pressure. Answer the various instances where it can be observed that air exerts pressure are: take a mouthful of air and close the mouth tightly. Now press the cheeks with the fingers. The air inside the mouth applies pressure on the fingers. When we fill the air in a balloon, the balloon expands due to air pressure. When it is blown more and more, it eventually bursts also due to air pressure. Question number 4. You want to buy a house. Would you like to buy a house having windows but no ventilators? Explain your answer. Answer. A house needs to be well ventilated for the comfort of its residents and for the well-being of the building. A house with poor ventilation can retain moisture and be draughty or airless. Moisture can condense, leading to many problems. Inadequate airflow results in a buildup of indoor air pollutants from household products. It can also produce cold, uncomfortable indoor temperatures, while good ventilation can help to maintain a comfortable inside temperature and a fresh, healthy home. A whole house ventilation system is more convenient than just an open window because it allows the flow of fresh air through the house. Question number 5. Explain why holes are made in hanging banners and hoardings. Answer. Holes are made in banners and hoardings in order to tackle the air pressure due to the wind. The air flows through these holes made on the hoardings or banners, and reduces the pressure on the hoardings. Therefore, the hoardings do not get blown away or torn apart due to air pressure. Question number 6. How will you help your neighbors in case cyclone approaches your village or town? Answer. Ways to help the neighbors in case of the cyclone. Provide first aid to the injured ones, keeping them informed about the weather forecast, alerts and warnings, helping them in moving to a shelter, the arrangement of food and drinking water, informing the rescue operators, agencies and forces about the affected area in the locality. Question number 7. What planning is required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone? Answer. Planning required in advance to deal with the situation created by a cyclone are: first, cyclone alert or cyclone watch should be issued 48 hours in advance of any expected storm. Second, the message should be broadcasted every year of half hour when a cyclone is nearer the coast. Third, armies and rescue forces should be kept on high alert at the sign of a disaster. Fourth, medical team should always be prepared for providing the first aid. Fifth, arrangement of safe drinking water and food should be made in time. Sixth, the government should be ready with the rehabilitation plan. Question number 8. Which one of the following places is unlikely to be affected by a cyclone? Answer is Amritsar. The coastline of India is vulnerable to the cyclones. Out of the given options, Chennai, Mangalore and Puri are located on the coastline of India, whereas Amritsar is not. Question number 9. Which of the statements given below is correct? Answer. First, in winter, the winds flow from the land to the ocean. Land gets heated up or cooled down very quickly when compared to the ocean. In winter, the land becomes colder than the ocean because of the cold climate. So the air over the ocean is warmer than that over the land. The warmer air is over the ocean rises up because of its low density, creating a low pressure area over the ocean. Then the wind flows from the high pressure area, that is land, to the low pressure area, that is ocean. Thank you friends. Bye bye.